Okay, it looks like we are live. Just making sure that we're live. Fantastic. All right, so welcome to my YouTube channel. My name still remains Idikureke Udofia channel, and I'm bringing to you live trading from a demo account. So let me quickly explain my analysis style. So the thing is this: I analyze from the I do my breakdown from the daily down to the 1 hour and then back to the 4 hours, and then on the 4 hours that's where I execute my trade. And early of the morning I took this two trade, and as you can see they are doing fantastically well. So right now on this live trade I am here to just look out for it's Jeff, I guess. So sorry for the interruption, but still back morning. Sorry for the interruption, but still back. So I am here to just look at all of the general currency pairs that I trade, because I trade the Europe Japanese yen, the Europe Swiss, the Europe USD dollars, the Canadian Swiss, the Europe USD, and yeah, so that's about that. I also still do the gold. Yep. As you can see right now, the gold is actually going up, and for me this is a key area to look for trading opportunity. Technically I'll be looking to sell the gold depending on the gold reaction around this level. So for me right now it's not time to trade the gold. Yeah, so looking at what I have on my chart, is not time to trade the gold. The gold can actually still move up to this level here, but like I said, this is a very important level for me because the market has actually reacted in this level before. Let me just quickly just bring them up. So this is previous support on resistance, because look at it here, it was a support level, key support level, and now that is now a resistance level around this level here. So I'll be looking to see what the reaction of price action in that region, so I won't be taking that trade. And then for this one, I see the market has actually pushed back beyond that level. So for this I will be looking to actually buy this trade even now, but let me do my order confirmation on that matter. So even if I'm choosing to buy that particular trade, I would love to buy the trade around this level. I would love to buy the trade around this level here, and I'll tell you why. So if I go to the 1 minute chart, I see a change of character here at this level here. I see the change of character from this region here. So I'll be looking to bring in on my Fibonacci. I'll be looking at this level here specifically to take a buy trade. Yeah, to take a buy trade from that level there. So it's a buy for me for it's a buy for me for so this is a buy trade for me. So that's that. Okay, so let's move on. That's a buy trade for me if I'm looking at the Europe USD. And yeah, so that's about that. We're back to the 5 minutes. And usually it's not like you can see this indicator down here. So usually why I keep that indicator is because sometimes it gives me notification, but I don't take my trade because of it. I trade based on my analysis, but just in case I forget that that particular currency pair was on my watch list, this is just one indicator that could remind me that, oh, look here, you intended in taking this trade earlier before. So that's why I have that there. So let's keep moving. So let's go to the Europe USD Swiss. Oh wow, Europe USD strip is about to go up. It's about to go up. This is not a down trade. This is still a buy trade. As you can see, we have our change of character. Yeah, let me bring that up. So we have our change of character at this level. Yeah, this is somewhere around, let's say this is somewhere around last 2 weeks. There was a change of character here, and the market is still struggling to break below this level here. So I'll be looking to buy this trade. So to be more on the safe side, I would have my buy stop waiting for this trade at this point here. Yes, at this point here, and then my first take profit will be at this level here, and then my stop loss will just be below my stop loss will just be below these 2 points there. So for me, I already have a pending buy stop for that. But if we want to look on a broader scale, this is a retracement happening on the Euro Swiss, and if we go by the Fibonacci plotting from this level, this structure here that actually created this point here, the ideal thing is that you'll be looking for a trade around from my premium level to my 61.8 Fibonacci level. So you either be looking for a trade here, or he just keeps going further up. So but I already have this down here, and then if I go to my smaller time frame to see if there is any change of character happening there, technically you can see that is already happening. Now this is a key level here, you can see, and then this is my first sign. This is my first sign, but to be more on the safe side, I would rather want to take the trade from this point here. Yeah, from this point here. So that's that. But it's still fine to take my trade here. To be honest, I feel like even taking this trade right now. To be honest, Let me look at it critically. I see this first level here. What else can I find? And then if you notice something at this previous resistance point here, I've already mapped out or draw out my line there. You could tell that the market is trying to break below that level and it's still struggling. So you know what, so let's have this trade. I think let me wait for the close of this 5 minutes and take my trade from there. So if I'm taking this trade from this point here, this is where I'm going to have my first take profit, not the previous take profits. To know if the market will continue going up, then I usually would have my first take profit and then come back to see other opportunities to take the trade, because the market could come here, retrace back, and then continue to go up. That's from all of the experiences that I've had. So instead of waiting for this, I would rather just use one of my indicators to notify me once the 5 minutes is complete. All right, so let's move to the next. Wow, this is crashing really down. Wow, amazing. I see this, I see it break this previous level, and now the market is coming very strong at this. So but this is a support level or a resistance level to support, so we'll wait and see what happens there. But definitely I see a buy opportunity from this region here, but until we see the market reaction at this point here, we will be taking that trade. So that's that. I want to see what's going on with my Europe Japanese yen. My Europe Japanese yen is actually doing well. Where's my Europe Japanese yen? It's actually doing well. So my take profit for this Euro Japanese yen is here. This is the first level. Yeah, that's it for me. That's my first take profit for Europe Japanese yen. It's a trade that I took this morning. I just want to see how far the trade is doing. It could even go above that level. So right now at this point in time, I would like to keep my stop loss small. Okay, so back to this. I've already mentioned what I'm expecting to see. So the 5 minute is completed. So the 5 minutes is completed, and then it's about time to take this trade. All right, so we are in the trade already. So we're back to, let's say, the 4 hours. So like I said, the take profit would definitely move to this previous level here. So this is where the take profit would be, this previous level here or this level here, but let's just keep it neutral at this point here. That's where the take profit will be. So All right, so let's move on. Moving on to the next. So we already have this. I'm back to my 4 hours level, and then this one, we're looking to buy this trade, and it's really pushing so hard high. It's fine. One rules I do is that I don't run after trades. So if I'm not in the trade, it's okay by me. Never run after a trade. Never run after a trade. So I'm moving this away. But I know it was a buy trade. But basically, if we miss it, no problem. So let's move on. Let's move on. There's a lot of goodies to take from the market. Wow, this is a fantastic trade. This is a fantastic buy trade. But I want to wait for the completion of these 4 hours to have this trade. I would like to wait for the completion. So please be patient for this particular trade. Patience needed. Patience needed to take your buy. Yeah, so that's that for this. But all levels has been broken. We have this, and interestingly, I also see what I normally would call my change of character, because that happened around here. So it's a good buying opportunity for me. Where is it? So this is a change of character down here. This is a change of character down here. So let's move forward. Looks like similar thing is happening here, but the market is retracing. So if the market retraces back to this level, it's still a buy for me. It's still a buy for me to this point here. So let's go forward. Looking good. Euro PSD is also going to be buying to this point here, where we have our order block. But the overall trend for Euro USD is a sell order. You should be looking to sell the Euro USD, and yes, why? Reason because just few days ago we had a critical change of character to the downside around this level here. So let's move on. Wow, this is really crushing it. This is really going to go up, but I don't run after trade. But this is really going up. So but it's still a valid buy. If you want to take a buy, still a valid buy, and you should be looking at having your first take profit here. It's still a very valid buy if you're interested in having this. It's a very valid buy. You can actually still buy from this point. Let me say I have a buy limit at this level here. Yep, you can actually buy from here, and then you should be looking to have your stop loss, and then your take profit. Around these levels. So you have your stop loss here, you have your take profit level there, around this level. It's fine, it's still a valid buy. So that is it. So just in case you're seeing this trade, I'm going to come back later on today and show you how each and every trade performed at the end of the day for us. So this is more of a day trading. Wow, this is a good buy. This is also a good buy. And why is this a good buy? I'll show it to you. So technically you can see the market try to push back down here, and now it's pushing back, or it's going further up. So it's still a good buy. Yes, a confirmation that it's still gonna buy. So let's just have this on our buy lists. But you know what, I would like to be patient with this place because I see this key area here. If I saw this earlier on, I would have had my buy here, but I want to see what's happening here. But this is still a good buy, so I'll rather just have a buy limit pending around here, because this is still a good buy. It's still a good buy. You still have the Europe coming up and all of that, so I'd rather have my buy stop limits over here, and then my take profit will be somewhere around there. So let me just set up my stop loss and take profit on this particular trade. Okay, so I have my stop loss around this level here, and then my take profit would be at this point here first, for first take profit. And that okay, that's what it is. So over here we see the market break this last part, and then it's trying to, so for me this is still a sell. It's a sell because you can tell the market have change of character here, and it's been selling here, though it didn't quite create a proper break of structure here. And then we noticed that it tried to push back up, but it had a weak what will I call it, a weak structure around here, and now it's pushing back down. So for me, I'll be looking to sell my pounds USD dollar. I'll be looking to sell it around this level and have my take profit for this level down below here. Wow, coming to you straight from Nigeria. They just brought our light and then they took it back. What a beautiful country of Africa, the city of Lagos, Nigeria. Did I delete that? Okay, I can still bring it up back. So we have our sell stop. Save my battery. You know what? I see another buy limit or sell limit here. So this is more of a yeah, I see a sell limit here. Where will I want to keep my stop loss? All right, so quick one. This is a key level for me, and I think it's a good trade because this is resistance level turn support. This is a key level, a very key level. This is the first time the market reacted here. The market also reacted here, and that's twice. And then the market also reacted here on this same level. So this is a key level for me. So I have my buy limits there waiting to take that trade, and then I'll be looking to follow it all the way down. And then don't forget, I have this other one up here to have like double entry. So as it is, I'll have to stop. There's still more to actually still scalp, but this is my own opinion, and I'm not your financial advisor. Let me put a disclaimer. I'm just someone who takes trading for hobbies. Yeah, I take trading for hobbies. I just enjoy trading, and over time I have seen how my analysis do work. As you can see, I already have some running trades on the market for today, and they are doing well. So one of the key thing I would like to also put in or say is that when it comes to trading, your money management level or skill is very, very important, because you could be a fantastic trader, but if you don't have the right money management skill in place, you will blow up your account. It's that simple. It's not rocket science. So I already have this coming close to my coming close to my, what's it called, my key area here. Yep, I want it to come. Let you come and take it, Jerry, from this level. So that's about that. If I look at this, whoa, there is some good trade coming up. Yeah, for me, I see a buy. I see a buy for this trade. Don't get it twisted. Let the market do its thing, but this is a fantastic buy. I may not be able to explain it for you right now, but this is a fantastic buy. Yeah, if you want to buy this, you could still put your buy stop somewhere around this level. Yeah, somewhere around this level. This is a fantastic buy, I'm telling you. So that's that. What else? And this is also a fantastic buy level here. This is also a fantastic buy level here. So you'll be looking to buy here, another buy here, and then you have your first take profit around here, and so on. So for this, what do we have here? For this, I rather want to wait for the completion of this 4 hours candle and see what's telling us. Yeah, Europe USD still looking good to me. Yep, still looking good to me. Yeah, so we've been selling this trade. Yep, and yes, where I have my take profit coming up. And then I see another beautiful entry around this level. So just in case you are not on this trade and you want to get on this trade, this is a great selling opportunity. Yeah, so you could have your pending sell limit, or you could just wait and see how the market reacts here, and then you take it up from there. So that's it. But the market is still going down, bro. It's still going down for real. Okay, and then for this, I see a buy setup coming up here. So if you want to be on this trade, you should be looking to take another buy somewhere around here, and then you could buy it all the way. Timmy, I'm live, please. Yeah, you take another buy up to this point. All right, so that is it. And then for this one, this look like a complete buy. So just in case you are here, I bring to you a buying opportunity. Get on this trade right now as fast as you can, and then buy it up. Buy this up. Just don't say you didn't hear me. Buy this up and buy it up all the way, man. I'm gonna be putting my own buy order straight up, because this is a great buy. Okay, so we have our buy set up already, and then our first take profit there, and my stop loss is just below this line here. So that's where I have my stop loss. Okay, so that's a great buy for me. So I'll definitely be coming back to show you the feedback for all of the trade. Like what I normally do is that on my histories here, I have what is it called? I have a daily display of performances. Like this one, we took this one last week, and then early today, the market actually just, I don't know how to explain this, but the market just increases its what do they call it, spread, increases its spread, and we also got stop loss. We got hit away from the market. That's what it is, but it's fine, it's okay. Maybe it was just a wrong a bad trade, basically. Oh, finally we are up on this trade. So we'll see how it goes. I think everything is looking good. So like I said, we'll be back to show you what up. Let me put this back to my 4 hours. Yep, let me put that back to my 4 hours. For you, I think for me, on my USD, I'll be waiting for the market to get to this level to sell it. Especially when I see how price reacts to it. So that's what it is. And for those that are looking to buy, this is another opportunity to buy. You could buy this trade right now, or you could just wait for the 4 hours candle to complete, and then you might have a clearer view as to where the market direction is going. But this is still a very, 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 very valid buy for me. So thank you for sitting alongside with me as I show you my live trading section all the way from Lagos, Nigeria. I still remain Idikureke, Udofia. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Please, if you know you like the content, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. I really, really do appreciate your love. Yes, so far from the beginning of this year, I've been able to have 33 subscribers. I think that is great. Yeah, I think that is great. But there's more coming up. So do not forget. And very soon I will be having a complete section on how I take my trade. And I actually don't trade the way people trade. I don't know how to break that down, but very soon, when I'm able to cross all the or meet all the necessary um, requirements to monetize my video, then I will be coming up with a full training program on how I take my trade. But that's my view on today's trade. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And bye bye for now. Peace.